We on?
We are rolling.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are today shooting the destruction of Gorzon the Cosmic Destroyer. I've wanted to do this for a long time because I created this puppet and it didn't turn out the way I wanted to. He's been okay, but it's time for us to move on and really make use of our monsterness. So, just so everyone knows, a little history. This dome, this is the same kind of dome that they use on Mystery Science Theater for Tom Servo. I got it and I used it. It's a little too small in relation to the body. I wanted something different. Anyway, now the fun part, I'm gonna cut his frickin' head off. So, to add insult to injury, I'm using pink handled scissors. Because, you know, he's bigoted. All right, here we go. We're gonna get in here. And we're just gonna get down on the underside. Don't want to cut any fur. Here it goes. There it is. The death of Gorzon. Thank you. Now to resurrect him.
You're somewhat Adam Savage-like in your disassembly and enjoyment of the process.
I built him, I can kill him. Alright, now, see, we've got this little extra sock down here I'm going to get rid of. This is going to be kind of ugly, but actually, you know what? I could probably just cut some threads and get rid of it. I could have done this in the beginning, but I wanted to cut his throat. So here we go. There, that'll work just fine. Get rid of that and make room for the new head. Yes, he's going to have a new head. You may note, if you've seen the sketch, that LeChuck discovers that Gorzon is not a monster at all, but is in fact a man in a cheap 50s B-grade costume. So, LeChuck takes care of it, handles the situation. LeChuck is not one to waste, so he actually fixes the situation so that Gorzon can continue being one of the late shift workers at TVTV. Here we go. We'll just get rid of all these little threadly bits if we can. That's close enough for now. Roll that back up. He's Gorzon the Headless. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. Which would be funny. Gorzon, monster with the invisible head. We're not doing that. What we're doing is we're putting the actor in the suit. And this is the actor. This puppet is going to just be positioned inside the regular Gorzon body. He's not going to have his arms hanging out or anything. He's just going to be... We're just going to use his head for this shot. It's going to look very, very funny. See? Actually, let me put him on. My head. You took off my head. Oh, it was the only job I could get, guys. Come on. Huh? See, like that.